Hello everyone, today we will explore the process of harvesting potatoes, from traditional methods to modern machinery, and from white potatoes to red potatoes. Potatoes are abundant around the world, but to witness this scene is quite rare. Let's dive in and learn more. Potatoes are not only delicious but also incredibly versatile and nutritious. They are packed with essential vitamins like vitamin C and B6, as well as minerals such as potassium and iron. Potatoes are a great source of fiber, especially when eaten with the skin on, which helps support digestion. They are also known to provide energy thanks to their high carbohydrate content. Whether baked, mashed, or fried, potatoes are a comforting and healthy addition to many meals, making them a staple in kitchens around the world. Continuing from above, hand harvesting potatoes is a careful and time-consuming process. Farmers use tools like spades to dig into the soil and gently uncover the potatoes. They then collect the mature tubers by hand, avoiding damage. While slower than using machinery, this method helps preserve the quality of the potatoes, ensuring they are handled with care. Continuing from the previous section, let's now explore the modern, machine-assisted process of harvesting potatoes. As technology has advanced, farmers have adopted more efficient methods to increase productivity and reduce labor. One of the most common machines used in potato harvesting is the mechanized potato harvester, which works like a large, advanced plow. The process begins when the harvester enters the potato field, typically after the plants have matured. The machine is equipped with a set of rotating blades that cut through the soil, loosening the potatoes from the earth. These blades also help separate the tubers from the surrounding dirt. Once the potatoes are freed, the harvester's conveyor belt system collects them and moves them to a sorting area. The potatoes are then carefully separated from any remaining soil and debris, ensuring only the cleanest tubers are collected. Modern potato harvesters are often equipped with high-tech features, such as sensors and cameras, that can detect and remove damaged or unwanted potatoes. This helps improve the overall quality of the harvested crop. The process is much faster than hand harvesting and can cover large fields in a short amount of time, making it ideal for large-scale farming operations. The harvested potatoes are then transported directly to storage or packing facilities where they will undergo further processing, such as washing, sorting, and packaging. While machine harvesting offers many advantages, including speed and efficiency, it does come with some challenges. For instance, the machine's large size and powerful digging tools can sometimes cause minor damage to the potatoes, especially if the soil is too wet or too dry. This is why farmers must carefully monitor the condition of the soil and weather patterns to ensure the best results. Despite these challenges, modern machinery has revolutionized potato harvesting, making it more efficient, cost-effective, and less labor-intensive. It allows farmers to meet the growing demand for potatoes worldwide, while also reducing the risk of injury or fatigue associated with manual labor. This combination of advanced technology and farming knowledge ensures that potatoes continue to be a staple food for people everywhere. Harvesting red potatoes on terraced mountains is a unique and challenging process. Farmers navigate steep, narrow terraces, often using hand tools due to the rugged terrain. The rich, fertile mountain soil produces high-quality potatoes, but the harvest requires careful work to avoid soil erosion and maintain the structure of the terraces. Farmers dig gently around each plant, collecting the red potatoes by hand and carry them in baskets or sacks down the slopes. This traditional, labor-intensive method preserves the mountain environment while producing flavorful, nutrient-rich potatoes. That's the process of harvesting potatoes. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.